What's the meaning of croon? Croon. Croon.
Croon. Croon. Croon means to sing or hum in a soft, soothing voice. It is often associated with romantic or sentimental songs. The term originated in the 1920s and was popularized by singers such as Bing Crosby. Crooning is characterized by a relaxed, mellow style of singing that emphasizes the melody and lyrics. It is typically performed with a microphone and a small band or orchestra. Crooning has been influential in the development of popular music and continues to be a popular style of singing today.